everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to update Ambire Wallet on PC. Ambire Wallet is the most commonly used as a browser extension. Updating it depends on your browser. Below the steps are for the major browsers. So first what you have to do is you need to open any of this Google web browser or any of the browser that you prefer. And after that what you can do is in the top there's an address bar. Simply type down Chrome extension and enter it. Over here you'll find this extensions Chrome Web Store. Select this, and over here once you reach into this interface, what you can do is you can search for your extension and themes in the top. Type down your Ambire Wallet, search for it. Over here once you get into this, once you find this Ambire Web3 wallet, select to this. Over here in the top right corner we can find this three dot icon. Select to this three dot icon and go to this developer dashboard here. And after here you can accept to this developer agreement and the privacy policies, and you need to pay the $5 registration fee in order to turn on the developer mode. And after that you can click update to force all of the extension. After that you can click onto this update to force all of the extension including Ambire to refresh and update to the latest version, and you can restart your browser. This ensures your Ambire Wallet extension installs available updates automatic. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any troubles or queries, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.